MyPal is the latest feature in the ever-growing ValPal network. Now, every month we spend time improving the valuation tool and the accuracy of the valuations themselves. But now we're coming to you, the expert, for your say. So currently the valuation tool draws on well over 43 million pieces of data in order to produce a valuation. Now that includes definitive data from the land registry, along with a whole raft of other information and other data sources, including floor plans, surveyors and property portals. Now, despite all of this information, the valuation tool is still always going to throw out an odd anomaly, a valuation of a property that you believe falls outside of an acceptable range. Now, in order for us to overcome these anomalies, what we're looking to do is to look to our network, which includes well over 4,000 offices nationwide, in order to get you contributing to that. So when you find a valuation that falls outside of an acceptable range, you click on a button that enables you the ability to report back to us what you believe that valuation should be. That data, if accepted, is then fed into our algorithm, not as a definitive, because after all it is your opinion, although it's a trusted opinion, rather than a definitive. But it will affect the valuation of that property and surrounding properties of a similar nature. Now, this feature can be switched on or switched off if you are comfortable with using it or not. It's entirely up to you. And for more information, please come and speak to us or email us on support@valpal.co.uk.